Hi, everybody. This is Jack. Welcome to Trade Winds. This is going to be a brief one tonight. Consider it a little public service announcement for everybody out there in Trade Winds land. If you weren't watching Onds stock today, ONDS, Onds for Ondas Holdings, here's what happened. Onds reported earnings this morning and the stock got hammered. It closed at $8.91 a share, down 8.8%. I happened to check the losing stocks list around midday. I saw Onds had gotten clobbered, and I immediately started looking into why. And here's what caught my attention. Ondas reported record second quarter revenue of $83.8 million. That's compared with just $6.3 million in the same quarter last year. That's massive growth. The company brought in about $175 million in new orders during the quarter. Its backlog increased to approximately $613 million. Here's the part I really liked. Ondas, they make drones, raised its full year 2026 revenue guidance to between $525 million and $550 million. So then you ask, why did the stock drop? The company lost 19 cents a share, which was worse than analysts expected. And you know what happens when analysts get worse than what they expect. Operating losses increased substantially. So obviously, of course, Wall Street didn't like that. Okay, fine. But I looked at the other side of the equation. Record revenue, a rapidly growing backlog, higher revenue guidance, analysts who remain overwhelmingly bullish on the stock. TipRanks currently shows a strong buy consensus on Onds. Remember, ONDS. There's 8 buy ratings and no holds and no sells. It's a buy. Their average 12-month price target is $18.75, with a low target of $13 and a high of $25. Robinhood is showing an even larger group of analyst ratings that are also overwhelmingly buy. B-U-Y. Buy, not the other kind of buy. Anyway, none of that guarantees anything, but here's what I did. I laid some cash on it. I picked up 600 shares and I did it quick. This thing's going to take off. I got 300 shares in one account, average price of $8.88, another 300 at $8.89, so a penny off. But I got it as quick as I could because I think this thing's going to take off. So I've got more than $5,300 of my own cash riding on what I'm telling you tonight. So personally, I'm not looking for $18.75 a share. I'm not looking for $25 a share. My thinking's a lot simpler. I think there's a reasonable chance that before too long, Onds is going to be trading back around $14 a share, which it's been at 3 times this year already. That's my opinion. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but I got a good feeling on this one. There's substantial, you got to know this, there's substantial short interest in the stock also, because it can be volatile. So anybody considering Onds needs to understand that this thing can move in either direction. And I've set my stop losses accordingly. But for me, this isn't a trade I'm looking to flip tomorrow morning. This is a buy and hold. I'm going to hang on to my shares and see what happens. So I postponed dinner. I made this video tonight because when I see something that I think may be a good opportunity, I want the Trade Winds community to know all about it. You can do your own research, look at the numbers, decide for yourself. If you like receiving market ideas like this, please consider liking this video and, better than that, subscribing to the channel. It really helps the analytics. Also, head over to jackcarterbooks.com. The link is in the description. Look for the Trade Winds tab. You can find it easy and click it. You'll find 3 of my books there on how to save money, how to avoid costly mistakes, and how to perform better in today's market. Until next time, this is Jack. Let Trade Winds help you get some green on your screen.